Mwanchumo rigereria kubwatekana n'ubutaka nabo igo hogokina kwirigori ry'ebitambaa by'obochenu asa abana Abanyaroka bakorwase ekiamate kiri kyo Konyora wense nigo bono banyorere obokongu kwegendereria asa amasomo abo kero bare ase amatukabo y'omotienyi EKAONTI ya HOMABAY negetambukero heke nigo bono keirire umbaro monne bw'abana abo bagotigara chisukuru nchera boigo kwenyora ase okubwataranirwa n'amarito agenkyo engana eyo nigo bono yairire ababwatani kurwase factory ya Galentine kea kubwaterana ni county ya HOMABAY ochakia factory yokoroisia ebitambaa by'obochenu $1 million eriko bakonya abana abo.
Our county continues to record one of the highest teenage pregnancy rates in Kenya. In 2024 alone, more than 17,000 teenage girls became pregnant, accounting for about 22% of all reported pregnancies in the county. Breaking this cycle requires more than good intention. It requires practical, sustainable solutions. This is exactly what this factory represents. Galentine Care Limited is not a charity. It is a social enterprise built on understanding that dignity and development must go together. By manufacturing high-quality sanitary pads locally, making them affordable, and reinvesting revenues into community empowerment, this initiative addresses period poverty while strengthening the local economy.
It is our belief at GalCare that women's periods should not be reduced to charity. We know women experience periods every month. It's a natural phenomenon. When you reduce to charity, it means you are doing a favor to a woman. Women should be empowered to access the sanitary towels, but also experience periods with dignity. So when we say it's a social enterprise, it means, therefore, we are going to improve access, make it affordable, while at the same time reinvesting whatever income that we generate from the activity to community services.
But this initiative that has been brought here is monumental. And the reason it is monumental, it is not just a business initiative, but it responds to a very big and grave need for women in this country. I have shared my story before, and a lot of people think that I make it up. Many of us women know, even here where we are, there's a woman who wanted to attend this meeting and can't attend because of periods. And when we say it, people don't understand. And because of that, I have brought a bill in Parliament called the Family Reproductive Health Care Bill. And one of the things that we are doing is we want the government to set up things like this in all our communities so that sanitary pads are availed cheaper and easier for our girls.